Javion, you see that?
Skills in the opening round.
You tired? You sleepy? You wanna go to sleep?
Ooh, the wife got too many
What happened? Fight? Oh. Fight, right? What you doing? Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 60 seconds, and interestingly enough, the same Bubba Sobral who submitted Sokuju. So every fight is different, however, and Sokuju really looking much better. And this fight, I see him looking a lot, though now Sassi beginning to pepper with the knees. Destroying the legs of Sokuju right now. He's destroying them.
Good.
Don't hold the fence with doing spots and self customers.
Look, Javion. Look, Javion.
I just know I did.
You see the fight, Javion? You see the fight? What happened? What happened, Javion? What happened?
You okay, mommy? Oh my God, mommy's dying. You okay?
Yeah, move.
They call it kids in there.
He said that's my fault. She said that's my fault. What happened? What I do?
Mom got she smacked me because
I didn't do that to mommy.
Listen, Jason, she
No,
smacked
what I do?
You put face.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did 2 times, right?
No, I didn't.
Mommy, y'all were down.
Turn that down.
Outside.
Now you know you went though. No
Who fought down outside?
Mommy.
When?
OJ.
In the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on. Yeah, so you can still watch it.
Crystal and short.
What I say?
And done. Yeah, well she
What
did that. She ain't supposed to do that in the first place. So what I said, she ain't supposed to smack me in my damn face. And first of all, I ain't do nothing to her. And she gonna smack me in the face with her dirty baby. So, you little Dumbo.
Crazy, right?
This is every day.
Fight.
This is every day.
Look, fighting.
They fighting a trap.
Oh.
Next time, you need to do that too. And you need to be in soccer. Soccer with me. Jada's in soccer with me. But she don't care.
Look at the fight.
They fighting a trap.
Look at the fight, Jada.
Yo! This is what I told. Alright, record me real quick, mommy. This is what I'm talking about. Muscles. Muscles is a different kind of opportunity when you do exercise. And I get muscles, because muscles are extra big. Like Jason. Come on, Jason.
That was nice. Okay, so.
Now, we eat chips. Today.
I told them they could eat it. Y'all should have been ate it though. I don't know why y'all didn't eat it yet.
So, chips. On today's chips, we're celebrating on Chip Day. Chip Day is a good opportunity. We just have a lot of salt and
Why you can't zoom in when you're recording?
That's whack, I know. It's something that you can do though, but I don't know what.